Hey, if y'all haven't seen it, go watch part 1 of this video, cause it's a part 2. Thank ya. Well, hello. All right, guys, so it's the next day. It's a Saturday. I'm pulling up to another estate sale. What actually is funny though, is I'm wearing the alternate colorway of the shirt I had on yesterday. So yeah, I always double up. But yeah, I'm in Galveston, Texas, dude. This actually is where I was born. This was pretty much my second home / stomping grounds as a kid. So it's kind of cool to be back here. And yeah, we'll see what they got. Nice tropical vibes on this beautiful sunny day. Oh, perfect. Dang, this house looks sick. Oh yes, and they got a bunch of plants for sale too. Oh no, not for sale. Damn. Oh, you know what they say about fishes? Oh my god, oh my god. Dude, that's so awesome. They got flamingo paintings on the wall to match the Yatu. Man, that's so sick. Right. Oh. Ooh, that little Louis purse too. Okay. I might have to. Uh-oh. Man, dude, this house is like so classy. It's crazy. But we got Versace vibes happening on these little button-ups. No, it's not actually Versace. But look at this bird feather encrusted hat too. Oh my gosh, you can put some poultry on your head. That's crazy. That's wild. This piece is nuts too. If this actually would fit me, I would get it if it was styled for men. But just take a gander. Wow. Wow, this is a wild little beaded, I don't even know what that is, like tuxedo coverall. But you guys know, man, I had to find one time. The Mickey Mouse 90s vibe. Had to dig it up. Yeah, probably gonna grab it.
You're gonna have to edit us out.
Okay, I will. It doesn't really zoom in that far anyway, so. They have a bunch of Hawaiian shirts in here. Real tropical vibes is what I was saying, man. And they have the vintage Calvin Klein made in USA denim jacket. That is a must acquire, man. I just love old clothes. Kind of a nice acid wash hue to it. But yeah, the Hawaiian shirts just are vibrant, beautiful. And I think they're making my allergies flare up, dude, all these flowers. Okay, I have mad respect for these people just with their collection of flamingos they have. Tropical birds colored off the shrimp to match the tattoo. You know what time it is, man. That's beautiful. And then again, they have that thing on them with the huge gun, the prop gun. I think it's $4,500, but it's half off today. Let's go. That's just absurd. All right, so this is crazy. I got some more aquatic awesomeness. You guys know fishes get you hella bitches. Got the Hawaiian shirt right here. And then, oh my gosh, dude, you got that redfish on the Guy Harvey tee. This shirt is super cool because it's double-sided. It's made in USA. This is one of the earliest Guy Harvey tees. And they have these Hawaiian like polo shirts. But evidently all the shirts are like 50 cents today, so that's amazing. Then you have the Champion with the thread count going crazy. Atlanta 96 tee. And then I found some pants for the personal. Tommy Hilfiger 35 by 30 plaid pants. These are sick. And then these green corduroy pants are awesome as well. I gotta see if these will fit me, but I kind of want them, dude. They look like a damn pine tree. All right, there are a couple pretty sweet little chairs, but I might go ahead and have to get a couple more pots for the garden. We'll see how much they're asking. Oh my God, guys. So worth it. I really wanted to shoot this clip outside, but there are like all these dogs just barking at me. Wait, hold up. See, like, and then there's a cat just chilling. I know it's overexposed, but the wildlife out here is crazy. Yeah, I'm super happy though because I did manage to come away with some really sick pants for the personal collection that are very unique looking, so I like those. I got a Calvin Klein denim jacket for the website, which is thriftheavenvintage.com. If you guys want any of the clothes and the Hawaiian shirts, they will be listed on my website. Man, there's just a lot of cool stuff in that house. All the furniture, all the knickknacks are kind of overpriced. Those people definitely had some money. So, I mean, the furniture is probably worth a good amount of money, but just a little bit too highbrow in the eyebrow for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, If we're talking eyebrows and price range, dude, I need some Frida Kahlo like unibrows, bruh. Like straight up, because I'm not trying to drop no like 3,500 on some used old furniture. I don't care where it was made. But anyways, yeah, I mean the drive was worth it. And I guess we'll proceed wherever else today takes us. Let's see. Hey, this is what February in Texas looks like. God bless. Dang, that dude's jacket is tough. All right, guys. Oh, van life? Yo, they're trying to flex on my van. Bro, that ain't happening, Captain. All right, there's a Goodwill in Galveston. I haven't been here in a long time, so I'm gonna stop by. I'm gonna see what they got. Goodwill sometimes be tripping on their prices, but I mean, we'll go in there and see if there's anything. Let's hop in. Dude, not like this. Goodwill is so wrong for this, I promise you guys. All right, so I walked in and I saw a burnt orange sleeve and I was like, maybe, just maybe it's a Texas jacket. Let me check. And sure enough, bro, it is a vintage Logo 7 all embroidered University of Texas in Austin. That's where I went to school. Brand new with tags, dead stock, heavy down jacket, bro. Like with the embroidery on the back too. I feel like this is probably like a 99 or like 2000, maybe 2001 piece. Oh, I want it so bad, but they are charging $30 for this, bro. They are tripping. Like, I don't know, like I could maybe sell it for like 45 if I wanted to, but like this is my school, so I kind of want to keep it. It's just so tough. I mean, I'll try it on and see what's up, but the fact that I walk in and this is the piece I grab and that's the price they're asking, taxing. Damn. Yo, this jacket is stupid tough. I'm gonna have to grab this thing, bro. Damn. Yo, this is absurd, dude. Today is hitting so hard. They just rolled out a brand new rack and they have the all embroidered majestic Houston Astros Nolan Ryan jersey. Bruh, what a legend. Also, this couch is legendary, dude. And they got the little love seat to match it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude, this trip was so worth it. It's crazy. And they have a vintage Buffalo Bills snapback. Dude, I'm grabbing that. They have this super cool earth tone 90s stripe polo. Then they have the polo Ralph Lauren tee. Man, look at, come on, hanger. Why you gotta do that? They have the University of Texas. Now I can't even show off the piece. Vintage all embroidered baseball jersey made in USA. That B Boa Classic. Looks like they got some BBQ sauce on this piece. Bro, what is that little spicy barbecue? Baby Ray's? Blessings, dude. Splashtown, USA. Check these out, man. You have the Nautica J class vintage trunks, but these right here are crazy, dude. All plaid. Chaps Ralph Lauren picnic blanket trunks, that yellow lining on the inside, size XL. Man, with that back pocket, whew, that little navy hit. Mwah. Guys, it's been crazy in this store, dude. The cart is overloaded. Bro, I see that sleeve. I'm finna see what's good. This is kind of clutch. They got the starter LSU jacket, starter logo. Crispy. Whoa, Lord. All right, guys, I'm out of there. Got a fat bag. I'm not even gonna lie, dude. I do not like Goodwill at all. Like, straight up. Goodwill sucks. Like, period. So that LSU jacket is an active jacket. It's made of nylon material. The lady's trying to charge $10 for it just because she saw it was LSU. Literally, the cashier's just ad-libbing prices. Like at the register. Like, hats that normally are $2. She's like, oh, this hat's $5. I'm like, why? It doesn't even have that price on it. She goes, oh, it's a sports hat. I'm like, woman, come on. No one is about to get a Buffalo Bills hat in freaking Texas except me. Like, y'all are absolutely tripping. Like, I probably could have sold that LSU jacket and made a good 10 to 20 bucks on it, but just out of principle, them charging $10 for a light little jacket like that just seems absurd. I don't know, bro. Like, they just continually irritate me at Goodwill. Like these cash registers, like that store is one of the most scheming stores, bro. And like I've met with their corporate office, the people treated me nice, they were cool, they apologized for their tripping managers, but then every time I go into a different store, it's just like the same story, different location, bro. Ah man, but I'm not gonna let that discourage me, man. Today was a good day overall. It's just Goodwill's, they're just so irritating, bro. And they charge $30 for that jacket. Like, oh my God. All right, guys, we came back to the estate sale that I started this video at just because I wanted to see what they still had that would be potentially half off. And I came to grab this table right here. It's just nice and look cool in the garden. However, I noticed a box of like rags, dust rags, and t-shirts. And then I actually started looking at the t-shirts and I hit. So, I mean, I guess this is redeeming my mood, if you will. You have the beautiful Universal Studios Island of Adventure tee. This is actually one of the weirder tees, but I just thought it was funny. It's just like a Roadrunner tee. Now this right here, baby, I hate a Goofy, especially. You got the Goofy and Mickey tank top right here, tropical island vibes. You have the Mickey Mouse, brand new with tags. Smile like Mickey, smile like you mean it. Again, man, dead stock, originally 10 bucks. Island of Adventure tee right here with the dinosaurs. That thing goes crazy, but now these, bro. These hit. I will rock this like a crop top. The Disney Pocahontas tee. You have another Disney Mickey tee. And these were just in the bottom of a box. I'm the boss. Rugrats tee. Look at that beautiful young blonde. Oh wow, that sounded creepy. That's beautiful. And then the Sugar Ray. I think I might have to keep this in the personal collection. Bro, Sugar Ray is that band, that 4-pose bed. You guys know what I'm talking about. This is amazing. It's like a tour tee right here from 2001. And then you have the New Kids on the Block tee as well. Just perfect wear on it. Another Pocahontas tee. Oh my God, a Snoopy double-sided tee. Like this isn't even stopping, dude. Like this just goes on and on. You have the Frogs on a Leaf t-shirt. You got a Winnie the Pooh t-shirt. You have a Homer Simpson. Oh, come on, man. On the Couch t-shirt. You have another Simpsons like Scarface vibe t-shirt. And then last and not least, you got that Mr. Bill creepy as hell t-shirt. And then what was this? This is actually the last one. Oh yeah, the Spice Girls tee. What? Let's go. Bruh. You gotta be joking me, man. So we're back in the crib right now on the couch. We have a giant bag full of all the shirts that I got, which is amazing. And yes, it is a reusable princess bag. Y'all know how we rockin'. But yes, thank y'all so much for watching this. I hope y'all enjoyed the content because I enjoyed making it on this nice 2-day estate sale adventure. Yeah, I broke the video up into 2 parts, obviously, because editing a 30-minute long video in a day is a lot for your boy. So I appreciate you guys' patience. Everyone who follows me on Instagram saw me pick up all these t-shirts live and how excited I was those 2 days of just hitting estate sales. So yeah, follow me on IG if you guys want to see kind of a behind the scenes of what's happening while it's happening, Captain. And yeah, I'm gonna wash all these clothes, then post them on Thrift Heaven. So bear with me, they will be on my website, link in description. But I wash all the garments before they hit the parcels and hit your body. So you know, you can just throw them directly on. Don't have to even worry about washing. But yeah, man, I love you guys. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. Until next time, Papa, I'm locked and loaded, and I am out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.